This video is for every single BMW E46 owner. Watch out. M4, 335, E36, F10, E46. This is for y'all. Notice in this piece right here, like, what am I holding this for? Well, my car, it started, but then it died. It started, then died yet again. The starter was good. I had spark. I had coils that were good. I also had air. The only thing that was missing that I found out was fuel. After some diagnosing, I removed the fuel filter and I got this new one, right? But this one was not the actual right one. But when I removed the old one, I noticed that it was functioning. Instead of just replacing the whole entire thing, what I did was when a pick and pull, I found myself a nice E46 with an aftermarket fuel pump. I removed this little pump and replaced it on my original fuel pump. And voila, the car starts. Check this out. Boom. The car starts. It's alive now.